Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud with Vivek. Today is day 11 of DevOps English Series 2025, and in this video we are gonna talk about one of the most important command, that is RM command. So what is RM command? So the RM command in Linux stands for remove. It is used to delete files and directories from your file system. But once you delete a file using RM, it is permanently gone. There is no trash bin or recycle bin to recover it from deletion. So be very careful. So let's start with some basic examples. So there is one example. First of all, you need to write command, that is RM. After that option, and after that path of the file or directories. So RM is command, hyphen I is the option, after that path. Okay, so that I am gonna vivek.txt. So this is the syntax. Let's come and we will do practical. So you can see there is no file or directories. So I am gonna create directory Vivek. I'm gonna create file hello. I'm gonna create file demo. I'm gonna create file info.txt. Right, so I created all these files and directories. Now if you wanna delete any file or directories, so how you can delete? So rm is command, hyphen r is the option. R for recursive. It will work for file and directories both. But if you will not use R option, then it will delete only file. It will not delete directories. So that's why I will recommend you use hyphen R option always. V for verbose. It will so that it is deleted. Right. So I'm gonna to delete demo. So you can see it is deleted and shown you in display remove demo. Now if you want to delete Vivek directly without hyphen R option, it will give error. What it will do? It will give error. Can't remove demo. Sorry, there is no demo. You need to give Vivek. So can't remove Vivek is a directory. So basically Vivek is a directory. So you can't remove without hyphen R option. So you need to use hyphen R. You can use R option before or after, no issue of your option. So it has shown remove directory Vivek. So this is the option. Again, if you want to delete multiple files, suppose that I created touch X, Y, Z. These are different files. Now you wanna delete multiple files. RM after that name of files. So like I wanna delete hello and X and Y. So it will delete. It deleted but did not shown. Why? Because you did not use option hyphen V. Now if you want, suppose if you worried about accidentally deleting something important file, then you need to use hyphen I option. It will ask for confirmation before deleting. Super helpful for beginners. Let's see. I am gonna delete info.txt hyphen I and after that name of file. So before deleting it will ask remove regular empty file info.txt. So you need to give yes, then it will delete. So you can see this is the way to delete. Now let's talk about directories. So I created here a directory data, and you want to create directory. What you want to create, sorry, you want to delete directory. So rm hyphen r option is mandatory. V for verbose and hyphen I for confirmation, and you want to delete data directory. So it will ask, then you have to give. So this is the way how you can create and delete. Now if you want any empty directories, then you can use hyphen d option also. What you can do, you can use hyphen d option also. So d for directory for empty purpose. So guys, this is the way. Now suppose you created lots of files. I created touch abc 1 dot dot 100. right? You can see multiple files. Now I want to delete, suppose you created files and directories also, like I created DevOps 1.50, right? Now you can see how many files and folders are there. I want delete all data at a time. RM is the command. Hyphen R for recursive, means files and folders. V for verbose. F for forcefully. So what it will do, guys, it will not ask for confirmation. It will delete all data at a time. And star, that means all data. Star is for all data. So you can see all data has been cleared at a time. So guys, this was the way how you can use RM command, right? Here are some safe practice while using RM. Use -I for confirmation. Always double check the path. Avoid using RM-R unless it's absolutely necessary. Consider using trash-CLI in development machine to mimic a recycle bin. So these are the options. If you want to see option of RM command, RM-help. So you can read all option here. V for verbose, D for directory, -R for recursive. After that, -I for every, prompt before every removal, capital I, prompt once before removing more than 3 files, -F for forcefully. So guys, these are the options. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So if you really found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below if you have ever accidentally deleted something with RM. We have all been there. I will see you tomorrow, day 12 of our DevOps English series. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and stay connected with Cloud with Vivek.